Hi guys, I want to showcase some of the new books out right now for older kids. This one is called the Unhurry book. Some of you have got the Unworry book already, and if you don't, you definitely need that one. This book has got different projects in here, like making an Unhurry jar. There are calming mazes and coloring activities. Kids are going to draw a place for calm that they're imagining. They're gonna write poetry like haikus. There's so much in this book for them. This one, Build Your Own Website for Beginners. This takes kids through the planning process of how to plan for a website, how to actually start a website. There are different coding things in here also. How do you link pages? How do you add video? Adding a survey. What's going to be on the menu of options on your website. Just so many things to keep kids busy this summer in this book. And then this one, you guys, I had never actually seen before in person before I got it yesterday, and it's just this really yummy, thick hardcover book, Dr. Maggie's Grand Tour of the Solar System. This is absolutely a must-have for any of your kids that are interested in space, in the planets, in astronomy. Chunks of knowledge, beautiful artwork. There is information toward the back of different facts about space people. So some of that history, just really, really captivating book.